Have you ever stared at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? Imagine for a moment the sheer vastness of space. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? With over 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, the statistical probability of life existing elsewhere is staggering. It's like throwing a dart at a dartboard the size of the universe and hoping to hit the one spot where there's no life. It seems almost impossible, doesn't it? But here's the paradox. It's called the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. It presents a contradiction. If the universe is so vast and the probability of life so high, why haven't we made contact with extraterrestrial civilizations? Why haven't we received any signals or visitors from far-flung corners of the cosmos? So, if the universe is teeming with life, where are all the aliens? One night in 1955, a family in Kentucky claimed to have experienced something out of this world. This is the tale of the Sutton family, a story that has reverberated through the annals of extraterrestrial lore, captivating the imagination of sci-fi enthusiasts and skeptics alike. In the peaceful rural setting of Kelly-Hopkinsville, the Sutton family's typical evening took a turn towards the extraordinary. They reported seeing unexplained creatures, described as goblin-like beings with large glowing eyes and long arms that ended in talons. The family claimed that these creatures launched a prolonged attack on their farmhouse, peering through windows and even attempting to gain entry. In their terror, the Suttons defended themselves, firing at the intruders only to witness the bullets seemingly bounce off. The encounter lasted through the night, only ceasing with the breaking dawn, allowing the frightened family to escape and seek help. Upon reaching the local police, the Sutton story was met with skepticism. However, the palpable terror exhibited by the adults and children alike was enough to convince the authorities to investigate. The police found no evidence of the creatures described, but they did discover bullet holes and spent shells, indicating that the Suttons had indeed been firing at something. The incident escalated to the attention of the United States Air Force. Under the auspices of Project Blue Book, their mission to investigate UFO sightings and related phenomena, the Air Force conducted their own inquiry. They concluded that the Suttons had misidentified a pair of great horned owls, a common species in the area, as extraterrestrial beings. The media, however, had a field day. The story of the Suttons' encounter captured the public's imagination, adding fuel to the growing UFO craze of the time. It became a phenomenon, a tale retold and reimagined in countless forms, from comic books to documentaries. Whether you believe in the Sutton family's story or not, it certainly makes you wonder about what could be out there. This tale, like many others, serves as a reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and perhaps not as empty as we might think. If aliens do exist, what might they look like, and how might they behave? This question has sparked countless debates, and scientists have developed theories based on the conditions required for life as we know it. It's widely accepted that water is essential for life, but the necessary conditions might not be exactly like those on Earth. Some believe that extraterrestrial life could be silicon-based rather than carbon-based, leading to drastically different physical characteristics. Then there's the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, which focuses on detecting signals from alien civilizations. They scan the cosmos for signs of intelligent life, such as radio signals or other forms of communication. But remember, the universe is vast, and our methods of detection are still developing. Just because we haven't found evidence doesn't mean it's not out there. As we continue to explore the cosmos, our understanding of what constitutes life and where it can exist is constantly evolving. We may not have found aliens yet, but the search is far from over. So, what have we learned about the possibility of alien life? Well, we've journeyed through the immense vastness of the cosmos, acknowledging that our universe holds billions upon billions of stars, each potentially hosting a number of planets. From this perspective, the sheer probability of life existing elsewhere is almost overwhelming. We've grappled with the Fermi paradox, the puzzling contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence. Yet this paradox doesn't disprove the existence of alien life. It merely highlights our current limitations in detecting it. We've revisited the chilling encounter at Kelly-Hopkinsville, a case that, despite its age, still manages to ignite our curiosity and wonder about what might be out there. Finally, we've delved into the scientific endeavors to find extraterrestrial intelligence, a search that continues to this day, fueled by our innate desire to answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? Next time you look up at the stars, remember, we might not be alone.